everybody, it's Elizabeth from Country Sampler. If you want your home to smell like autumn in the country, we've got the project for you. It's a fall simmer pot and it only takes ingredients you probably already have at home. We sliced up apples and oranges and dehydrated them in the oven. You could also use an air fryer, which is a little faster, but you can only do so many at one time. Then we added star anise, cloves, and cinnamon sticks. We put them in a pan with some warm water, set it on a very low setting, and our house smelled amazing. You can also use a crock pot if you want to just set it and forget it. We have some printable gift tags at countrysampler.com that you can print, cut out, and add to a jar if you want to give this little project as a gift this fall. Like I said, it's super easy, so let's get started. All you'll need for this project are apples and oranges, a knife or mandolin and a cutting board, and star anise, cinnamon sticks, and cloves, plus materials to package in. You'll also need baking pans and an oven or a countertop air fryer. Slice the fruit thinly, about 1/16 of an inch. A mandolin is a much faster method that gives more uniform slices, but make sure you wear protective gloves. Place the fruit in a single layer on a baking tray. Put the baking trays into the oven at 250 degrees. Since it's a low temperature, you don't have to preheat the oven if you don't want to. Bake until the fruit slices are dried, about 2 or 3 hours, checking them frequently. If you prefer to use an air fryer, follow a similar method. Place fruit in a single layer and bake at 250 degrees for 20 minutes. Flip the slices, then continue baking at 10-minute intervals until they're dried fully. Once your fruit slices are cool, you can package the potpourri. Fill the bottom half of a quart-sized canning jar with an equal number of orange and apple slices. Then, add 2 teaspoons of whole cloves, 4 cinnamon sticks, and 6 star anise. Fill the jar the rest of the way with more fruit slices. If you want to use a pint-sized jar, cut this recipe in half. To make this a gift, prepare a tag. Check the video description for a link to download this tag, or you can write up your own instructions. Place the lid on your jar and tie on the tag with twine or ribbon. To use the simmer pot potpourri, simply place the contents of the jar in a pot of water, bring it to a boil, and then reduce it to a simmer. You can also use a slow cooker and leave the lid off if you prefer. Before you know it, your home will smell amazing.